Hello, I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn Introduction to Three-Dimensional Geometry together, step by step. We step from the flat plane into three-dimensional space where every point needs three coordinates. We'll find distances and dividing points just as we did in 2 dimensions. A point in space is given by 3 numbers x, y, and z, measured along 3 mutually perpendicular axes. These axes split space into 8 regions called octants. The distance between 2 points in space extends the plane formula with a third term. The square root of the squared differences in x, y, and z added together. Between 1, 2, 2, and 4, 6, 14, the differences are 3, 4, and 12. So the distance is the square root of 9 plus 16 plus 144, which is the root of 169, 13. The section formula works coordinate by coordinate, just as in 2 dimensions, now including z. The midpoint is simply the average of each pair of coordinates. To recap, points in space need 3 coordinates and lie in one of 8 octants. Distance adds a z term under the root, and the section and midpoint formulas extend naturally to 3 dimensions. Well done! Great work! Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.